All right. This is the 250 BSA we've been working on, all wired up. We've got the seat sitting on it. The tank is sitting on it. We're going to make a gas line, put some gas in it, and give it a fire. This is the gentleman who owns the bike.
Eric Herman, how are you?
And this is just looking really good. And look over here what he brought in. First of all, I'm going to fit this fender. We've got the fender brace, and I'm going to fit it with some spacers so it drops down. It'll be really nice. And over here, look at this side panel he made to cover the battery area. It's with red and yellow pinstriping on it. And this is just going to be sweet. Honest to goodness, I love this little bike. And if it starts and runs and pops every place it's supposed to pop, we will be some happy people. So, looking good.
Built by many famous people. Don Vesco, the land speed racer, first man to go 300 on a motorcycle. Rob North did the fabrication. And now Frank's doing the restoration. Mike Corbin seat. There's been a lot of motorcycle industry legends over the years who've touched this bike. That's the best part. Thank you, Frank.
Very good. I love it. All right. And as we say, the fun just never stops. All right, this is our first start. Took about 6 kicks to keep the light. Very nicely. We've got good oil flow. Right there. Kevin's on the other side checking ignition, which happens to be dead not gone. Got a good idle. I'm just pleased as punch with it. We're going to shut it down now, cool it off, and maybe put the side cover on in the front fender. The bike looks and sounds good.